Alright, so I'm in my car. It's late, but I've got a problem. This is a 2007 Nissan Sentra, and it's a stick shift. Let me show you that right there. Let me turn on this light. And the car runs fine normally, except, I'm going to show you in a minute, when I go to accelerate, when I go up a hill, it doesn't accelerate smoothly. Like right now, if I go slow, no problem. It's all good. But in a minute, I'm going to show you how when I go on the road and I push down on the accelerator hard, the car, instead of accelerating smoothly, kind of jerks along. So I'm going to hopefully show you that in a second. See you in a minute. Alright, so I'm driving up a hill, and when I go to accelerate, the car accelerates fine until you kind of push the accelerator down past a certain point, like right here. And when I do that, it jostles around. And you can't quite hear it, but the car is jerking. That's why the camera is jerking. The car is skipping and jerking and moving around like it's missing power. Alright, so now I'm stopped again, and basically that's my problem. The car, it drives smoothly most of the time until you try and get power going up a hill. And when it does that, instead of going smooth, it just goes, it just jerks and it doesn't want to go. It doesn't have enough power. So something about this car, I'm not getting the power. Now this car isn't a sports car anyways. It's not a super powerful car, but it's got to have more power than that. I mean, it is hard to accelerate up a hill more than like 45 miles an hour. So what the heck is going on here? What should I do? Can we fix it? Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Nagler, your car needs to be fixed. Just take it to the dealership, take it to a mechanic and get it fixed. And I could. In fact, I'm at a dealership right now and I could bring it over there and have them look at it. But I'm thinking that's going to be pretty expensive. I mean, mechanics charge like $120 an hour just to look at the problem. And then they got to do parts, and fixing it's going to take them 3 or 4. I mean, the whole thing's going to add up to be, I think, a lot of money. Meanwhile, this whole coronavirus thing that's going on, the economy is tanking. It doesn't feel like a good time to be spending money if you can find a way to do it yourself. That being said, there are a lot of people that, because of this coronavirus pandemic that we're experiencing, are going to be out of work, right? And there's a lot of people that are going to need help paying rent, or going to need help affording food. So how about we make a deal? If you help me figure out what's wrong with the car and we can figure out how to fix it, then I will take some of the money that I would have spent here at the car dealership and I'll donate it. I'll donate it to a charity that helps with people with rent or mortgage payments, or we'll donate it to the food bank or something like that, so that maybe I can save a little money with your help and we can also do some good. So if that sounds like a good idea to you, then that'll be our unit. Let's do that. I'm guessing, I have a feeling that this is a problem that chemistry can solve.